Hello, my lovely students. How are you all? Here is your Subhasri Ma'am. Welcome back to the channel. Children, I want to ask you one question today. That is, have you ever thought how just one equation can tell us the ages of two persons? Yes, it can. In this video, I will show you an easy and step-by-step method to solve age problems using linear equation. So watch till the end and you will feel age problems are one of the easiest topic in maths. So let us start. First, question number 1. Question number 1 is Mrs. Goel is 27 years older than her daughter Rekha. We don't know what is Rekha's age. After 8 years, she will be twice as old as Rekha. Find their present age. So, we don't know now what is Rekha's age. So, we will take it a variable. And we will write this way that let Rekha's present age be x. X is the variable. You can take x, y, z, anything. No problem. Then Mrs. Goel's age is what? Present age is x plus 27 years because Mrs. Goel is 27 years older than Rekha. That's why. Now next it is saying after 8 years she will be twice as old as Rekha. So first we will find their ages after 8 years. So after 8 years Rekha's age will be x plus 8. Definitely x is the present age, so x plus 8. Next, after 8 years, Mrs. Goel's age will be what? Present age is what? X plus 27. So, we will add plus 8 with this 27. So what we will get? We will get x plus 35, 27 plus 8, 35. So x plus 35 years is Mrs. Goel's age will be after 8 years. Now according to the problem, it is saying after 8 years, she will be twice as old as Rekha. So first I am writing Mrs. Goel says that is x plus 35. It is equals to what? It is equals to twice of Rekha's age. So 2 into x plus 8. Okay. Now it has become a simple linear equation in one variable. So you can solve it. So 2x plus 2 8 is 16 equals to x plus 35. Now we will collect the variable terms and write in the left hand side to 2x minus x equals to 36 minus 16. 2x minus x is x and 35 minus 16, 19. Yeah, we got the value of x. So our problem is solved. Now we can easily find the ages. So Rekha's present age is x means 19 years. Mrs. Goel's present age is x plus 27 means 19 plus 27 equals to 46 years. Easy na? Yes, it is very easy. I know you all understood, right? Now next question number 2. The question is, the ages of Shunal and Manoj are in the ratio 7:5. 10 years hence, the ratio of their ages will be 9:7. Find their present age. Their ages are given in ratio, so we will write, let the ages of Shunal and Manoj be 7x and 5x respectively. And 10 years hence, their ages will be 7x plus 10 and 5x plus 10. Definitely 10 years increased. So according to the problem, it is saying after 10 years, the ratio of their ages will be 9:7. So we will write 7x plus 10 is to 5x plus 10 equals to 9:7. Now you change the ratio in fractional form. 7x plus 10 by 5x plus 10 equals to 9 by 7. In fraction we will write. Now we will do the cross multiplication. So 7x plus 10 we will multiply by 7 and 5x plus 10 we will multiply by 9. So 7 7 ja 49x plus 17 ja 70 equals to 9 5 ja 45x plus 19 ja 90. Now simply we will collect the variable terms in the left hand side and sign will change, you know. So now 49x minus 45x equals to 90 minus 70. So I know you all can do the simple subtraction. You will get 4x equals to 20. So x equals to what? X equals to 5. Yes, we got it. Easily now you can find their ages. Whose? Manoj and Shonal's. The Sonal's present age is 7x. Means what? 7 into 5 because the value of x is 5. So 7 into 5 means 35 years and Manoj's present age is what? 5x. So 5 into 5 means 5 5 just 25 years. I hope all of you understood. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. Definitely I will clear your doubt. Okay, now children, next sum I am telling, this is for class 8. A man in 10 times older than his grandson. He is also 54 years older than him. Find their present age. So first we don't know the grandson's age. So we have written let grandson's present age be x. And the man's age is 10x because he is 10 times older than grandson. And also this one also said in question that he is also 54 years older than him. So the man's present age is x plus 54 also. We got the man's present age is in 2 ways, 10x and x plus 54. So we can write 10x equals to x plus 54. This has become a simple linear equation. So you can write 10x minus x equals to 54. 10x minus x equals to 9x equals to 54. So x equals to 54 by 9 equals to what? I know all of you know this, that is 6. First we have solved the problem. The value of x we know now. Then we can find the age easily. So grandson's present age is x means 6 years and the man's present age is 10x. So 10 into 6 means 60 years and you can find the second one also. The man's present age is x plus 54 also given now. So you can write 6 plus 54 equals to 60 years. Any one way you can write. It is not that both the way you will do. Now children, I am telling you one important thing, that is, if you enjoy these age problems, then you just write in the comment box more sums. Then I will make more videos on this topic, okay? And also you can write the name of the chapter you want next. You can mention the classes also, which class, which chapter you want. So I will make video on that, right? So today is this much and bye bye.